Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are doing a toasty makeup look. I wanted to try out the toasty makeup look trend and see what I came up with using some of my favorite products. It's perfect for summer. I honestly really love it, and I'm really glad that I tried it because I wouldn't really do full glam like this. Usually I'm very simple. Before you go, please be sure to hit that subscribe button because we're posting every single day on this channel. I want to test YouTube's algorithm to see can I actually grow if I post every single day till summer's over. So stay tuned to find out. Love a natural brow. Gotta get that glow for toasty makeup. Fenty Beauty Skin Tint. I'm in the shade 9. I love this skin tint. It's so good. I love the skin tint because it just blends in so nicely. It literally looks like my skin. I think I love foundations and skin tints that look like my skin. I don't want to look and feel like I'm wearing a mask. I just don't really like that look. I want it to look like, you know, just like my skin. If you're looking for more full coverage, honestly, I feel like you could build this up to like a nice medium coverage, but if you're looking for something more full coverage, maybe swap this out for a foundation. They made my coffee really good at Starbucks today. I got a brown sugar shaken espresso. I always get the brown sugar shaken espressos. They're just so good. I also started making them at home, and I just bought the actual Starbucks syrup from eBay, and they're pretty good. But today I didn't have any more coffee, so I was like, I have to go get some. Like, I needed energy to film today. By the way, I'm sorry I didn't post yesterday. I did miss my upload, but that's because this weekend was a little rough for me. I genuinely felt so terrible, so I apologize about that. I just had a really bad headache and I couldn't edit. This whole toasty makeup is that you have to go in with like a cream bronzer beforehand, so I'm going in with Hoola Wave in medium deep. I really like this bronzer because it's light. Oh, look at that. It's really lightweight, so I can build it up as much as I want, and it just matches my skin tone really nice. Like, I think it really brings out that toastiness. Like, you could already tell the difference. Nose contouring is really important in this part as well, so I'm going to outline my nose to give that structure. So for this part, I'm just gonna blend it in so that it's airbrushed. Might add a little bit more too to make it more defined. Okay, so the trick for this, from what I've seen, is to just really pack on the cream bronzer, and then I'm gonna go over it with concealer and then add more powder bronzer on top. So while I do love that bronzer for every day, I don't think it was strong enough to bring out the toasty tones, or so I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Cream Bronzer in the shade Teddy and just add a little bit of that to really warm up the look even more, because that's what toasty makeup is all about. Now I'm adding in concealer. Now that we're nice and bronzy, so it's supposed to like lift as well, so we'll put it up. Put it here where the contour is. Definitely like the way the concealer looks after I've applied bronzer. I'm gonna set everything with my Charlotte Tilbury airbrushed powder. Toasty makeup look can honestly be matte or glowy, but I'm going in with the powder to just really set the concealer so it gives it a nicer. Adding some of that warm back in with Hoola. The powder's a lot stronger. I'm not mad at it. Okay, before we start on blush, now she's looking toasty, I'm going to do my lashes because I look a little crazy with the full beat and nothing going on in my eyes. Using Thrive. Makes my lashes so long. I love. Okay, she's looking toasty. Highlighter is also really important to get that glow. So I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury Champagne Glow highlighter because it's so stunning and it definitely gives that look that we're going for because it has that toasty champagne undertone. Okay, I like to put it obviously on the high points of my cheeks. Oh, we're supposed to go with blush. Okay, so we don't need that much blush, but I'm just gonna go in with a pinch. I know, this is not the right brush, but I don't have a clean brush, so. And I accidentally already put on highlighter, so I'm just gonna put it on top and then we'll put on more highlighter. Okay, now the blush is on. Now we're going to put highlighter, which is my favorite part. Highlighter is so pretty. Look at that. Oh, yes. She's giving toasty. Honestly, all over. Because we want that glowy look. We want that dew, so we're going to set it. Lips. This is Freck Beauty Makeup Club. I'm going in with shade 5 because it's a nice pretty brown. Nobody ever talks about Freck and they're so good, especially with their lip products. Shy Hottie. Just to fill it in. Now it's more of that like latte brown. This is the final look. We have that sun-kissed look. I'm pretty happy with the way that it turned out. I do like the way that the lip liner and the lipstick go together. I feel like they do complement really well. This is my take on the toasty makeup look. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. And let me know if y'all have tried any of these products because I want to know. I want to hear from y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye!